Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today, our exercise is 6.3, topic triangles and its properties. Today, we will do two special types of triangles which is not included in any exercise. It is in the NCERT book, your page number 123 page. You can see this. Two special triangles, one is equilateral triangle, another is isosceles triangle. As the name, equilateral triangle, where all the three sides are equal. When the sides are equal, this sign we will give which sides are equal to one another. Here AB, see the sign AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. That means three sides are equal. So in an equilateral triangle, in summary, we have to keep in our mind that it has three equal sides and each angle measure 60 degree. Measurement of each angle will be 60 degree in an equilateral triangle. These two things you have to keep it in your mind. Next, we will go for isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, what is an isosceles triangle? Where only two sides are equal. Here AB and AC, I have put this sign. So these two sides are equal to one another. But this side, I have not given that sign. So this side is not equal to this one. So AB is equal to AC. Here, what we have to keep in our mind that two sides are equal and the angles opposite to that equal sides, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That means whatever the base angles, they will be equal in measure. A triangle in which two sides are equal lengths is called an isosceles triangle. Here what you have to keep in your mind, two sides of the same length and base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Base angles opposite to the equal side, that means this is an equal side, AB is equal to AC. The angle C is opposite to AB and angle B is opposite to AC. So opposite angles of the equal sides are equal. That means you can say that base angles are equal. Now we will do few sums from page 123, your NCERT math book. Find the measure of x, unknown angle x, in each figure. See the diagram. Here this side and this sides are equal. As these two sides are equal, that means these two angles will be equal. Then what will be the value of x? 40 degree, because these two are base angles of an isosceles triangle. So directly I will write x is equal to 40 degree. But the reason is very important. Why I have written x is equal to 40 degree? As the base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal. Understood? Next question, question number 3 from that page. See the drawing, see the diagram. These two signs representing that these two sides are equal. That means if two sides are equal, then angle opposite to the equal sides are these two angles. That means these two are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. That means if it is 50, then it will be 50 also. As the given figure is an isosceles triangle, so the base angles are equal. I have written the reason before only. Therefore, the value of x is 50 degree. The value of x is 50 degree. Next question. Come to the next diagram. See here. This is another isosceles triangle where this side is equal to this side. By seeing this sign, you can understand that this side and this sides are equal. These two sides are equal. And this angle is 100 degree. You have to find the value of x. And as because it is an isosceles triangle, so it will be also same value and it will be x. To find the value of x, we will start our solution. As it is an isosceles triangle, so the base angles are equal. So here another x will be there. So x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Angle sum property. Why I have written 180 degree? Because it is the angle sum property of a triangle. Now solve as it is. How many x's are there? 2x. 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 100 will be for transposition it will be minus 100 here. 2x is equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 by 2, 40 degree. Cancel it. You will get 40 degree. Now x is equal to 40 degree. Then what is the value of this one? It is 40 degree. If you have understand all these things nicely, then you can solve this one easily. From that page only I have given these figures. See the diagram. Here this side and this sides are equal. That means this angle and this angle will be equal. It is 40 degree. You have to find out how you can find the value of x. Think, use your brain and find the value of x. I want to see that how many students can write the correct property and find the value of x. Here also see what does it mean. All the three sides are equal. Then you have to find the value of x. Here also you have to use your brain. Next one. What kind of triangle it is? Right triangle, because this sign is given here. And this side is equal to this side. So it is x. That means these two will be the base angle and this is also x. X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Using angle sum property, you have to find the value of x. Now you will do these three sums. First you will understand whatever given we have discussed before, and after that using that idea you have to solve this sum with property. Understood? Thank you, student.